Hi everyone, welcome to episode 6, and this is part of the series of videos that I'm preparing to help you with your German driving license exam. In this series, we are talking about all the major and minor mistakes that you should take a note of to avoid them during your exam. If you have not yet watched my previous episodes, I suggest you watch them to get a continuity. I shall leave them in the I button as a playlist for your reference. Now let's get into the topic.
Missing the yellow boards. In Germany, entry to a city is marked by a yellow sign, and it's a common oversight to miss these signs, as we are often focused on speed limit signs. These yellow boards signifies entry to a city road, which means the speed limit is 50 km per hour. So when driving outside city, which generally is 70 to 100 km per hour, failing to notice these boards hence becomes a non-negotiable mistake if you are still driving at 70 km per hour. Another mistake to avoid is failing to slow down in front of a roundabout. You are expected to reduce your speed even if there are no vehicles in sight. And if you're driving a manual car, remember to shift to second gear, and failing to do so is considered a mistake. Vehicles inside the roundabout has the highest priority, and so it's crucial to confirm there are no vehicles already inside the roundabout before you decide to enter, and failing to do so is considered to be a major mistake. Another thing about the roundabout, you don't have to signal when you enter the roundabout, but it's essential to indicate before you exit. And failing to do so is a mistake.